So Microsoft just introduced Copilot Mode to Microsoft Edge, and I know that sounds confusing. Isn't that Copilot has been around in the browser for months, if not years? Well, yeah, this feature has been around. You can use it to ask questions or summarize a website, and it can do a lot of things. It is similar to ChatGPT or Gemini, but it is well integrated with the browser. But now the company has added a new feature called Copilot Mode. So from what I can understand, it is a much deeper integration with the browser, and it has some differences, and in many ways it's a bit better. So maybe one example that I could showcase is it can actually control the browser via the vision mode. So let me just enable the vision in Copilot. Now I haven't enabled Copilot mode, so you'll see the difference later. Now I'm going to click this button. I want to talk with Copilot vision.
Hey John.
Hey, can you open youtube.com and find me a tutorial video about how to create a website using Ghost?
I'm pulling up a YouTube search for website creation tutorials using Ghost. Let's see what we find.
Okay, I haven't seen any website being open. Can you just go to YouTube and then find me the tutorial?
I'm navigating to YouTube right now. Let's find that tutorial.
Okay, it doesn't do anything. It is not able to control the browser, but in the Copilot mode, this AI can actually control your browser. You just need to tell what it needs to do and it will do it. So let me show you how you can enable this new Copilot mode, and I'll actually do another demonstration with the Copilot mode on. Now I'm going to close this first. So to enable Copilot mode, just click this three-dot icon, go to settings, and then navigate to AI innovations. And then you can enable Copilot mode. But if you are doing this for the first time, you're probably not going to be seeing that option. You probably have to click a button that looks like this, and it will open a web page that look like this. And by the way, you can also just navigate to this URL. It's actually the same thing, and I'll leave the link in the video description. Now here, you can just click this button, enable the Copilot mode via this or via this toggle button. It is basically the same thing. Now right away after you enable this, you'll see this message telling you that a few things that you can do. You can take a look. Maybe it will give you some inspiration about the things that now you can do with this new Copilot mode. Okay, if you open a new tab, you will see that it is now not the Bing.com search engine anymore. It is really Copilot, and you can start chatting with AI. But as I promised earlier, I want to do another demonstration, but this time around, I want to use the Copilot Vision to actually control the browser. So here, I'm going to just click this button, and yeah, now it is on the left side. It used to be on the right side, but now it is on the left side, but more or less it is the same thing. So I'm going to enable Vision again, and I'll ask the same thing.
Hey John.
Hey, can you open youtube.com and find me the tutorial to create a website using Ghost?
I've got YouTube open for you with tutorials on how to create a website using Ghost. Dive into those and start your website journey.
Okay, now can you open Wikipedia on a new tab?
I've opened Wikipedia for you on a new tab. What are you looking to explore there?
Okay, as you can see, it can control the browser for me, and I just need to give it some instruction. And that one, I didn't open this tab, I didn't open this YouTube tab as well. So it was done by Copilot mode. And I guess that's the benefit of enabling this feature in your Microsoft Edge browser. So that's basically it. That's how you can enable it. And if you check the description, you should be able to see the link to navigate to this page where you can easily enable the Copilot mode. So that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. I wish you a great day ahead.